In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this scan effect in Blender. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl+3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. For the scan line, we could use a torus, or a mesh circle. Let's add more segments. The idea to shrink-wrap the torus and animate it to move from the top to the bottom. I'll use Eevee with bloom turned on. This is without the shrink-wrap modifier. Let's work on the offset. I'll start keyframing. There is our scan effect. The idea is to duplicate the torus and add multiple scan effects to the sphere. After duplicating them, we must change the emission color, and maybe the speed as well. I have only added a one-way scan effect with a green glow. Please try adding more scan effects to the mesh. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.